Hello. Thanks for joining me for this weather forecast across North America. And the main focus around the east coast is the proximity of Hurricane Erin. It remains quite a strong hurricane. You can see that area of low pressure. It is staying well out at sea, but it's bringing some dangerous and difficult conditions in terms of storm surge and rip currents around parts of the east coast. By this stage on Thursday, particularly so for the Carolinas, stretching all the way up towards Rhode Island, New England as well. Away from the east coast, things are that little bit quieter, but we've got some areas of heavy rain through parts of central Canada. It's a little bit quieter at the moment for British Columbia, but we could see some wetter, windier weather moving in later in the weekend. A lot of dry, settled weather for the Pacific Northwest, and here in the west, temperatures are going to be on the rise over the next few days. A few sharp showers for the likes of Arizona, New Mexico, across the Four Corners region, and they're going to continue, especially for Colorado as well as we head through the weekend. Temperatures for some on the rise. Seattle up to around 27 Celsius, that's 80 Fahrenheit by Friday, and it continues to hot up in the west through the weekend. Let's look at the east coast. You can see those strong onshore winds pushing in across New England towards New York as well. Things will be quieting down and improving further south across the likes of Georgia and Florida as well. Lighter winds, and we're losing the biggest of the waves here, but still some heavy showers. Things will turn a little bit quieter and also actually a little bit warmer towards the east over the next few days. Bye-bye. Hello. Across South America, expect some big swings in temperature through central parts of the continent over the next couple of days as a couple of areas of low pressure move through. This one that brought wet and windy weather is clearing out into the Atlantic. The next area of low pressure is pushing across the Andes, bringing rain at low levels, but heavy mountain snow, colder air as that system then sweeps its way towards the east through the end of the week and into the weekend. Further north across the continent, there'll be some heavier rain for Colombia, Venezuela as well, but actually not as much as we'd expect here for the time of year. A little bit drier conditions through parts of the Amazon basin, for instance, and plenty of dry, sunny weather for central and southern Brazil for this stage at least. It's a warm day for Asunción, 27 degrees, warms up further into Friday, but then as this colder air further south sweeps in, we'll see that drop in temperature across parts of Paraguay, southern Brazil as well. Bit of rain for Buenos Aires by Friday, and Santiago just 7 degrees on Friday with some sleety showers, and then things turn a little quieter after that. For Mexico, a few scattered showers, but heavier rain a bit further south for El Salvador, Guatemala as well, and a few scattered showers across the Caribbean. We are monitoring something that may form into a weak tropical storm out in the Atlantic, possibly through the weekend, but we're just keeping a close eye on it for now. A drier day to come for Havana and Port-au-Prince on Thursday, but a return to more of those showers from Friday onwards. Bye-bye.